Hi, Rahshal with Lady Fermenter. No time to brew and a good time to test out the Citra Session Pale Ale. Let's take a look at what's in the box. Directions. There are 2 1-ounce packs of Citra Cryo hops, 1 flash brew yeast. So, oh, and my assistant, I don't know if you can see her, and then a hop shot, and then the pack of
DME.
Well, yeah. So, no boiling, just mix and go. And actually, it's like a dump beer. You just dump everything in, and it does its thing. All right, you're going to need a 6 to 7 gallon fermenter. This is a 6.5 gallon. Clean, sanitized. A bucket of Star San. Oops, I can't squirt it with that. Get down, Ninkasi. All right, here we go. Oh, water. We are using Cryo. And I'm just going to wipe that off. Don't want any sneaky little microbes getting in here. There's nothing on the hot side. It's just mix. Actually, you don't even have to mix. I'm just going to spray this down with Star San just because I think it's a good idea. It doesn't tell you to do that, but that's what I'm going to do. All right, first things first, 3 gallons of water go into the fermenter. Now, you will need a, sanitized.
And 1 sassy kitten.
Are you assisting? All right. Cut open yeast. Okay, here goes the yeast. Malt. Oh, looks like there's a little hot plate extra. Let's see how that got. Excuse me. Okay, so don't ever name your cat Ninkasi because she thinks she needs to be part of every and the hot pellets brew day in the sassiest way possible. That's 1 malt. And 2. Now the rest of the water, that's it. We don't need to stir it. We don't need to shake it. That's it. So we've had lots of kitties.
Almost like instant coffee.
This is the first one that has to be involved in every brew day. And then we're just going to let it hang out at room temperature. Then it's going to do its thing. Oh, I'm giving myself awful amount of powder that's on my finger. That's okay. Really washable. All right. I'm just pulling stuff out of Star San right now. Sanitized, clean, sanitized lid, gasket, and yes, my bung and airlock. All right. That's it. We're done. Here's what it looks like. That's it. You can see the powder, and that's it. We are done. It's gonna do its thing. And when the airlock stops bubbling, we're ready to go to the next part. Okay, I just wanted to point out the color after we put everything in the fermenter. Understand it's going to go through some really weird color changes, and that's normal. All right, just wanted to show you what it looks like 24 hours later. And this is why they recommend that you use a 6 to 7 gallon or 22 to 26 liter fermenter when you're doing these flash brew. This is Citra Session Pale Ale. And you can just see all the beautiful krausen and crazy activity in that airlock. And then here is, hopefully you can see it, turbulence of that yeast working hard. This morning it was a dark brown color, and now you can see it's more of a lighter brown, starting to lean toward a beer color, maybe. All right, so here is our Citra Session Pale Ale flash brew tasting. You get all of the Citra. You get the citrusy lemon, lime, mostly grapefruit. Light and refreshing. This would make a great summer beer. And honestly, for the amount of contact time, tastes delicious to me.
Pretty clear too.
Well,
Fairly clear.
I don't know. It looks cloudy to me.
A little bit.
Maybe it does look different in the camera, but it's delicious. So worth a try if you're pressed for time or just getting into home brewing. Give Flash Brew a try if you want to. And thanks a pint for watching.
Please like and subscribe.